wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best do-it-yourself awnings. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The versatile and budget-friendly Shade and Beyond sail can be tailored to suit your needs. The semi-permeable canvas provides ample protection against UV rays and sudden showers and doesn't let water pool on top to weigh it down. These come in various sizes and shapes with D-rings made of stainless steel. However, they are impractical for many situations. At number 9, if rain is less of a concern than the lack of privacy in your backyard, a good way to define an outdoor space is by using a side awning like the canditree privacy divider, which can create a barrier up to 33 feet long. It's 5.5 feet tall and includes an automatic rollback feature, but it doesn't offer any shade. Coming in at number 8 on our list, while you'll spend a bit up front on an advaning semi-cassette, the return on your investment is a fully assembled system with a one-step pitch adjustment, a hard-wearing UV80+ breathable fabric that won't trap heat or moisture, and an optional electronic remote control. This one's available in multiple dimensions and patterns, all with a 5-year limited warranty. However, note that the motorized model costs a lot more. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for do-it-yourself awnings, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Yescom Hollow Sheet 07AWN002 comes in a pack of 2, and while its ABS plastic construction is sturdy enough to support more than 30 pounds of snow, it's still susceptible to damage by hail and high winds, making these a poor choice for some climates. They're also available with brown tinting and are simple to set up and install, but there's no easy way to take them down. Moving up our list to number 6. The palram Vega 2000 is designed with an aluminum gutter and rubber gaskets that divert rainwater to either side. Its frame is made of laser-cut galvanized steel that's powder-coated to protect against corrosion. It's equipped with 10-inch thick acrylic panels and an adjustable pillar height. However, it is pricey for such a small model. Halfway up our list at number 5, the diensweek Sunshade Shelter HD1500610 includes stainless steel cables, an aluminum torsion bar, and a galvanized steel roller tube. With 6 sizes available, there's a good chance you'll find one suitable for your needs. It's made of polyester with bonded seams and includes a 1-year warranty. Note that a 10-foot minimum clearance is advised. At number 4, at 13 feet in length, you'll need to be very resourceful to install the aecojoy market deck without help. But if you're looking for a way to create a shaded space in your backyard, it's tough to argue with an option of this size that's so affordably priced. It also comes in 2 smaller sizes and opens manually in less than a minute. However, the instructions are confusing. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the awntech Dallas Retro is a good choice for shielding windows and doors from the glare of summer sunshine in a chic vintage style. It's angled to shed rain and snow, so you shouldn't have to worry when storm clouds roll in. It's available in bold colors and fashionable stripes and is resistant to fading and mildew. It comes with an easy-to-assemble aluminum frame. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for do-it-yourself awnings, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the outsunny retractable features an extra-long hand crank that makes extending it a breeze, and the manual operation means you can open it up or roll it back even if the power's gone out. It's equipped with a durable steel and aluminum frame and a waterproof coating. It's available in vibrant and neutral hues. And taking the top spot in our list, installed on a concrete wall or other solid surface, the Best Choice product shelter can be extended manually to offer welcome relief from the midday sun and let fresh air flow through open windows without worrying about rain blowing in. It's UV and water resistant and includes a powder-coated aluminum frame and all the mounting hardware. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for do-it-yourself awnings, or simply click beneath this video.